Hello everyone! This video is all about comparing KOHO, NEO, and WISE. Which one should you use in Canada? First, let us have KOHO. KOHO focuses on hybrid spending and savings account with a prepaid MasterCard. Key features, cashback rewards, interest on balance, budgeting tools, credit building, and free transactions. Considerations: some features and higher cashback or interest rates require upgrading to paid plans. A monthly fee applies to the essential plan if you don't set up direct deposit or maintain a $1,000 balance. Next up, Neo Financial. Neo offers a range of financial products, including a no-fee spending account, high-interest savings account, cashback credit cards, mortgages, and investment products. Key features: cashback rewards, high-interest savings account, no monthly fees, free everyday transactions, and AI-powered insights. Considerations: cashback rates can vary, and higher rates may require specific balances or subscriptions for premium cards. Lastly, let us have WISE. WISE focuses on primarily designed for international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. Key features: multi-currency account, WISE card, international money transfers, low and transparent fees. Considerations: while it offers spending and receiving capabilities, it's not a traditional Canadian checking account. The primary benefit lies in international transaction and currency management.